myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Children's Day, one should know that after Jawaharlal Nehru death, it was decided that the India could celebrate Children's Day on November 14 to mark his birth anniversary. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889. It is for his love for children that Jawaharlal Nehru is also commonly known as Chacha Nehru among kids. Play Smart, Play Epic. Asansol contact number is 8695607709. Another number is 18001233 Delhi schools are to remain closed for a week and classes will continue in a virtual mode, said Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. On November 13, school will be shifted to online mode from November 15 and will continue in a virtual mode for a week. This step has been taken as a Delhi's air quality is a rating as a serve on the Air Quality Index AQI. Mr. Kejriwal said, for a week from the Monday onwards, schools will be physically closed. They can continue virtually so children don't have to breathe polluted air. Delhi government took this decision in an emergency meeting held to control the repercussions of the increased air pollution. Delhi government announced its four-step action plan after the Supreme Court demanded the union government and Delhi government to take immediate step to handle the increased pollution. Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, wrote on Twitter, all schools, college and educational institute in Delhi to remain shut next week as pollution level hit emergency level. Admission open. Motion Durgapur Center. For contact, you can call us 94348 22278 8900 10080. Madhubani. The burnt body of 22 years old journalist was recovered from the roadside. The incident is the Madhubani district of Bihar. It is learned that the young man was abducted 4 days ago. His half burnt body was found laying on the side of the road on Friday evening. Buddhinath Jha, alias Avinash Jha, used to work in a local news portal. 2 days ago, he mentioned the name of several clinics on Facebook and claimed that they are fake. He disappeared after posting on Facebook. It is learned that due to the Buddhinath's investigative journalism, the administration had earlier closed down many fake clinics. Because of this, he has received threats more than once. Many people have also tried to pay bribes of lakh of rupees to keep their mouths shut again. But he did not deviate from his duty in any way. He was last seen at 10 p.m. on the Tuesday this week. CCTV footage near the house of shows him leaving the house at around 9 p.m. to talk to someone on the phone. He was also seen entering his own office located in the street of the house. He was last seen leaving the house at 9:57 p.m. At the time of was wearing a yellow scarf around his neck. He was seen passing in front of a police station 400 meters away from the house. Police said he was spotted at the local market with a man between 5 and 10 to 10 p.m. No Trance of the young man has been found since then. The family member also woke up in the morning and saw that Budinath was not at home despite having a bike in the house. When I went to his house next to the house, I saw that the door was on, although Budinath was accepted to return on Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. Family members complained to the police that he had gone missing after a long absence. Police tracked down his mobile phone and found out that the last signal was received in Bitun village around 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Mobile has been switched off since then. The police were going to village of to find out what Budinath was doing in the village 5 kilometers away from his house, but he was not found there. On Friday, a cousin of Budinath got the news that a half dead body has been found along with the highway above the Bitun village. Family member rushed to the spot with the police. She was identified by a ring on her hand, a scar on her leg, and a chain around her neck. With the permission of the relatives, the police immediately sent the body for postmortem and later handed it over to the relatives. His funeral was held on Saturday. Physiotherapy clinic, male and female. For contact 70474568855. Call on this number. Mahua. According to Surjit Sen Gupta from Baranpur, West Bardhaman district on Sunday, the state level sub junior boxing competition organized by Amritpur Boxing Association at Baranpur Boxing Stadium concluded with the distribution of prizes. The chief guest in the award distribution was Malay Ghatak, Minister of State for Law and Public Works. Secretary of the organizing committee Satnam Singh, Alice Raju boxer, honored the minister. He said that cricket is the most popular sport, but gradually, sports like boxing are also becoming very powerful and popular. For some time now, boxers have been making India famous in a various international competition. This kind of event is necessary for new boxers to emerge from Silpanchal in the coming time. Sekhar Chandra Kundu, President of West Bardhaman District Amitpur Boxing Association, Harjit Singh, Chairman of Organizing Committee Susil Suman, President of Cell ISP Officer Association, etc. were present. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. Akar Sanjeev Kumar, according Asansol Municipal Corporation was given 1 week time regarding cleaning and illegal occupation, after which it was instructed to remove the illegal enforcement till 12 o'clock at night, which is the last day. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Its Department of Education and Higher Education received SKOCH Gold Award. CM tweeted, "Congratulations, the Department of Education and Higher Education, along with the Department of Tourism of West Bengal, has received the Prettinguist Stock Gold Award. This award was given due to the extraordinary work of the department during the corona period. State Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee tweeted this information. He parasite the department for this and also congratulated the officer and employees of the department. It is noteworthy that even before this, the state government has received the Scotch Award for commendable work in a various scheme. State President of Teacher Association Ashok Rudra, District President Rajiv Mukherjee, Teacher Mukesh Jha, M.O. Kamal, Sujat Hussain, etc. said that this is the glorious moment for us. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830285 slash 700196729 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. West Bengal municipal election. The Central Education Commission for every 1,000 voters in the assembly election had set up booth according to the administration. The number of voters per booth. Kolkata and Havra municipal election. State Election Commissioner Saurav Das held a meeting with the state administration officials on Saturday. Sources claimed that one booth could be set up for every 1,200 voters in the both of the municipalities. There will also be assistant booths for additional voter. Official sources claim that a booth was set up for every 1,000 voter in the assembly in view of the corona situation. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor for trade inquiry. Mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800 258 7060. Congratulations to WB Tourism of receiving Scotch Gold Award. CM West Bengal Tourism Department has received the prestigious Scotch Gold Award. This award was given due to the extraordinary work of the department during the corona period. The state chief minister Mamta Banerjee tweeted this information. He praised the department for this and also congratulated the officers and employees of the department. It is noteworthy that even before this, the state government has received Scotch Award for a commendable work in various schemes. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Today on Sunday, the birth anniversary of the country's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Children's Day was celebrated in various places. According to the information, this birth was celebrated by offering a wreath on his birthday at Disargarh Congress Party office located in Ward number 105 of the Municipal Corporation. On the occasion, Manish said that there is a less prize for a former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He said that the result of Nehru love for children is that Children's Day is being celebrated today. Pradeep Kumar Chatterjee, Nimu, Manish Barnawal, Manik, Raju, Rahul, Bilal, Irfan, and others were present in the program. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Manoj Sharma, according the West Bardhaman Press Club today held a victory conference. The minister Malak Ghatak was also present. The members of the West Bardhaman Press Club says.
तभी तो स्ट्रांग होगा। तो 8 आदमी हो चाहे 6 आदमी हो चाहे 10 आदमी हो, सब जगह से रिप्रेजेंटेशन ले लीजिए। जैसा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से 2-3 ले लीजिए, हिंदी अखबार से 2-3 ले लीजिए, उर्दू अखबार से 2-3 ले लीजिए, बांग्ला अखबार से 2-3 ले लीजिए। ठीक है, जो मीडिया होता है सब तरफ का रिप्रेजेंटेशन ले लीजिए, तभी कमेटी ठीक होगा। ठीक है
दादा, আমরা যেটা ডিসাইড করেছি ইলেকট্রনিক মিডিয়া থেকে
रिप्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए। अभी कौन रहेगा नहीं रहेगा वो तो आप लोग बैठ के ठीक करेंगे। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया से कौन रहेगा, सब से कौन रहेगा, हिंदी से कौन रहेगा, बांग्ला से कौन रहेगा, ठीक है, हर मीडिया से, इंग्लिश से कौन रहेगा, इंग्लिश पेपर।
দাদা, এখানে বড়াকড়ে পুরো মিডিয়া এসছে, রানীগঞ্জ থেকেও এসছে, জামুরিয়া থেকে এসছে, ওরাও বলছে এখানেই মানে
मेन तो है ना। और ऑलरेडी तो इसका ड्राइंग बन गया। ऑलरेडी हम बनाने के लिए बोल भी दिया। अभी थोड़ा पानी उनी रुकेगा तो बनना भी चालू हो जाएगा। इसको रख के चारों तरफ से बन जाएगा तब बीच वाला सब।
और किसी रिपोर्टर भाई को सर से पूछना है क्लब के मामले में सहयोग को लेकर।
मैंने पैटर्नाइजेशन में हम लोग मैंने जो है ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ हम लोग काम करेंगे और जो है जो मैंने देश का जो ये होता है मैंने जो 4th पिलर ऑफ द मैंने डेमोक्रेसी है उसको मैंने उसको बचा करके उसकी आइडेंटिटी को बचा करके हम लोग काम करेंगे।
আমাদের कमेटी का कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी का नाम सब बोलिएगा ना जो हम लोग रखते हैं।
उससे ठीक करो।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
सब मिल के बैठ के देखो, जैसा प्रिंट मीडिया में भी उर्दू, बांग्ला, हिंदी, अंग्रेजी,
हाँ,
वैसा जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया है उसका भी जो बंगाली चैनल, हिंदी चैनल, इंग्लिश चैनल, अगर एक एक करके भी लीजिएगा तो सबका एक एक करके लीजिए। अगर बड़ा बनाना है तो 2-2 करके ले लीजिए। पहले क्राइटेरिया कर लीजिए। ঠিক আছে, ইলেকট্রনিক মিডিয়াকে
সামনে আমি একটা কথা বলছি, সবাইকে বলছি, এইটা একটা প্রেস ক্লাব আমাদের তৈরি হচ্ছে আর একটা প্রেস কর্নার ওইখানে আছে। এবারে ওইখানে আসা যাওয়াতে কোথাও কোনো বাধা বিঘ্ন নাই তো?
नहीं उसमें ऐसा कोई नहीं।
কেন 4-5 জন আসছে না? আমি গেছিলাম এখনই বলতে।
হ্যাঁ,
তো পরে দেখা করবো।
পরে আসবে।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of Tata Katihar Tata Special Train Asansol 08141 Tata Katihar Special will run on nominated days Wednesday and Saturday from 17 November 2021 till further advice. The train will leave Tata at 21.25 hours and will reach Katihar at 14 hours. The next day, Jasidi departure time of train will be 3:44 hours. On the next day, 08142 Katihar Tata Special will run on nominated days Friday and Monday from 19 November 2021 till further advice. The train will leave Katihar at 14 hours and will reach Tata at 6:20 hours. On next day, Jasidi departure time of the train will be 23.35 hours. On the same day, the train having air conducted, the air having considered and sleepers also accommodation. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Durgapur on September 31, Vijay Sammelan was organized on behalf of Swadesh Vikas Manch, in which many people donated their old clothes done today. On Saturday, 13th November, those clothes were distributed among 500 needy people in Kundra, Malandihi, Durgapur. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. It is fundamental rule of human life that if the approach is good, the response is good. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.